More ni one term cut one term. Wagabu wanasema ni one term. Harambe. Kasongo aende asiende. Mimi nikimalizia, I want to say one thing. Nimeona, I have seen William Ruto saying that he is not going to allow rogue police officers. The rogue police officer called Langat works under the instructions of William Ruto. When I was in Kasarani, Mweki PCA, it is William Ruto who called Langat and told him to withdraw police officers so that goons can come and attack us inside church. William Ruto, how can you say you don't want rogue police officers when you are the one who has made them rogue because you are the one who gives them instructions on what to do? Sisi tunataka tuseme, hata wale watu walitekwa nyara huko Marakwet, postmortem imefanyiwa, wamepatikana, they were also tortured. Na nilisema there is a squad of 101 police officers that was formed upon the approval of William Ruto, attached to the National Intelligence Service for high-level training on abductions, torture, and extrajudicial killings. So, however, William Ruto, if you are serious, first order the disbandment of that unit that you founded for the purposes of torture, for the purposes of abduction and extrajudicial killing. Direta kumwirati riano itu. Muyumireria, nemo kuyumireria. Na muikare muriri itho, neguo. Nemo weka uguo. Na murora muno akunyaniria ruriri. Turenda mekirwo rurita kagogo. Neguo. Mekirwo rurita ki. Na kwe handu turekinya maji ya guthii utuku tumekire mbugi ngingo. Neguo. Nigetha magioka tukamenyaga andu athabatha ndakena muno ndakinya wa Monjoro geithanie wa Monjoro.